This is the Limbs and Things Advanced Clinical Female Pelvic Trainer. It is an anatomically accurate and tactile trainer, ideal for hands-on examination and for diagnosing female conditions and minor pathologies. Pelvic examination is a fundamental skill performed in undergraduate medicine, and the standard trainer with normal presentation can be used to practice the early skills of orientation, communication, and familiarization, including bimanual examination, recognition of the perineal and pelvic anatomy, and cervical smear procedure with use of a speculum or cervical broom. The pelvis supports a total of 7 interchangeable uterine modules: 1 normal, 1 retroverted multiparous cervix, 2 pregnant at 10 to 12 weeks and 14 to 16 weeks, and 3 minor pathologies. The set of modules can be used for progressive and wider curriculum training, allowing recognition, comparison, and diagnosis. The Advanced Clinical Female Pelvic Trainer from Limbs and Things is an ideal tool for staged and structured learning, from undergraduate level upwards.